will be a little bit better. It's Saturday, 6:30. So far, it's just windy outside, and we're in Dunedin, Florida. And basically, yes, they still have the pool filled. I don't know why. Probably to use it for extra water for something. But anyways, Irma is definitely looking to destroy or somewhat destroy this area. Really what we're worried about is these giant trees, because these giant trees turn into projectiles. You know, yeah, it's getting nice and windy out, so God bless y'all. Hopefully you watch the video, share it. I don't know, doesn't really matter to me. All right.